A lot of people these days are embracing a more natural lifestyle. We all want a healthier lifestyle, completely free of toxic substances. In fact, many folks have started to reject mass-produced health and personal care products, as they often contain harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances. That's why today we will show you how to make your own all-natural, chemical-free antiseptic liquid soap. First, using a glass bowl or jar is ideal when you're making soap at home. In a container, mix 4 tablespoons of liquid unscented castile oil together with about 10 drops of coconut oil. Then add approximately 5 drops each of pure lemongrass, tea tree, and orange essential oils to the mixture. Blend all the ingredients until they are mixed properly with a uniform consistency. Finally, take your liquid soap and place it into a suitable dispensing bottle. Your soap is ready for use and fresh for about 4 months. This liquid foaming antiseptic soap is easy to make and will save you money. For more great information, visit utamaspice.com.